Welcome back to part 6 of the entrepreneur's journey, where we teach educational business content that is easy to understand and apply. In our last training video, we took some time to understand the profits in our business. Once we have a stable profit, we want to make sure that we have enough money to put back into our business so that it can grow or can still function during months of low income. Let's take a look at the following business story to understand the different ways of investing back in your business to make it grow and increase your sales. Good morning, Andile.
Good morning, sir.
I thought I'd stop by this morning to catch up from our conversation from yesterday, which I think we're on a good streak.
Oh, yes, I would love to. Fortunately, Asandi, sir, she's not feeling well. And I have encouraged her to take a day off and then ask Alicia to come and assist at the shop. Let me close this door so that when Alicia gets here, then she'll open. All right. I also seems like woke up feeling a bit of a fever this morning.
Oh no, I hope it's nothing serious.
Oh, don't worry, I'll probably be fine. Let's proceed to the office and then we'll continue where we left over.
You gotta be careful, man.
No, not me. I can't afford it. I can't get sick. Look, I have a business to run.
But you gotta follow protocol. I mean, COVID is serious. We've gotta take these precautions.
Yeah, I know. I hate when you're right.
Who was the lady from the other day that so desperately wanted to get hold of you?
Oh, that was my gogo, actually. She's coming from Zululand and she is very sick and she has nobody to look after her. And she decided to come to me. So the last time I saw her, it was when I left home 5 years ago in search of work. It's been very nice to see her because I haven't seen her for very long, actually.
Do you mind if I sit a little further away from you at the desk?
Oh yeah,
Just
sure.
to be safe?
No problem. So don't worry. It's been a very stressful week and we've been working very hard, me and Asandi, so actually. So please don't worry about it.
Please don't take any offense. I think we have to be safe. I think recently we've been really slack in following protocols. But let's get back to our discussion yesterday, and we were talking around profits. Profit, the amount of income that remains after the accounting of all costs. And I think if you do remember, we made about 6,000 Rand.
Correct.
In terms of profit, assuming you haven't spent that on your friends. I'm going to recommend today that you actually save and invest 50% of that back into your business. Save to put money aside for future investments.
What do you mean by investing back to my business?
From your profits, if you can invest back into your business, means it's short-term investing for long-term gain.
Okay.
For example, you want to buy things like stock. I mean, if you buy more stock into your business, you're able to sell more and generate a greater profit.
Correct. I hear you.
We can call this income-generating investments. Income-generating investments, these are raw materials, equipment, or advertising plans that will help us make more money by making your business grow. Okay, so if we can invest 50% of our profits back into our business. Okay, so let's just calculate that quickly. Okay, so it's 6,000 times 50% gives us 3,000 Rand, means we have 3,000 extra.
Correct.
To put back into your business.
Okay, makes sense.
Income generating investments may vary from business to business. Can you give me some examples of income generating investments in your business?
That's a tough one. Oh, I actually remember those promotion we did last month. It cost me money to get those bought and those promotion free. But it brought me more customers, more money basically.
Yes, Exactly. Promotion is a form of advertising. And advertising, if done correctly, can generate a lot of income for a business. Advertising to draw attention to your business or to get more customers. Should we take a walk now and see the various types of advertising?
Great. Yes, definitely. We could use some fresh air.
Yeah, that's good. Let's do it.
Oh, hey, Alicia, how are you doing? Good to see you.
Sorry, boss, I'm a little late. I woke up with an excruciating headache this morning.
Oh, don't worry. Me and Joe, we're about to go out at the moment, so you can get inside and help out at the shop. All right, thank you so much.
Wow, that's our first form of marketing. Look at this flyer. It's got the name of the shop. It's got all the different types of services they offer there. And look at that, they have a voucher, a 30% discount today, only for a haircut.
They're even around the corner. Do you think we should go get a haircut?
I think it'll do you good.
Great, let's go.
Yeah, absolutely crazy.
Hello, good morning.
Hi, good morning.
Hi, good, thanks.
Great.
Would you like to try some of my
Oh,
biscuits?
no, ma'am. We are in a educational walk, me and Joe here. So I'm trying to learn about how to make an advertisement for small business, basically.
No, come on, Andile, that wouldn't be so bad. Just taste a cookie. I'm sure it'll be good for us.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I think let's go for it, hey?
Let's go for it. You wanna get a test here? Right here? That's so nice. Oh my god.
Tell me what you think.
This is absolutely divine.
It's so amazing. I
Absolutely.
think I should buy this big bag for my gogo back at home because it tastes very nice.
I'll take a bag.
Great, thank you. That'll be 20 Rand each.
Okay.
Oh,
Cheers.
yeah, great. This is amazing. This is amazing. Let's take this on this side.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thanks so much. I'll be back in a second.
No problem.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
There we go, gents.
Great. Thank you so much.
And hope to see you again soon.
Yeah, fantastic.
Good luck with
Thank
your
you.
business, eh?
Thank you so much.
Amazing. Good to see you.
Thank you.
Keep well.
Likewise.
Take care now. Bye.
Bye.
Did you notice the lady from Dafe Cafe, how she got us to buy these biscuits just by giving us a sample to taste?
Great. Yeah, I've noticed that. Which was really great. Oh, sorry. I got a call from. Okay. Hello, Gogo. Yes. How are you? Okay. Okay. Oh no. Okay. I'll call you. I'll call you. Did she? All right. No problem. All right. Thanks. Yeah, I got some really bad news now. My Gogo just tested positive for COVID, so now I have to go back and close the shop.
I think it's the best thing, Andile.
Yeah.
I think it's best you can close up the shop, get yourself tested, and also make sure Alicia goes for a test as well.
Great. Let's just go. All right. Cool.
If you want your business to grow, it is important to regularly put money aside so that we can reinvest back into your business. Let's take some time to reflect on the following questions. Grab a pen and paper and join me in answering these questions for yourself. What does it mean to save money? Can you list 3 income generating investments that could apply to your business? Can you list 3 types of advertising that you noted in the role play? What kind of advertising would be most suitable for your business? I strongly encourage you to find ways that you can save more in your own business. Reinvestment back into your business is very important if you are wanting to grow your business. Saving is an effective way to ensure your capabilities to reinvest back into your business. Advertising is a perfect example of spending money now so that you can generate more income later. Let's take a look at the next video to see how Andile and Asandiswa have to be creative in how they advertise their business now, since they had to close up shop.